Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Atlas reward card concierge service. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You can choose to log in on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or you can choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged in using your username and password, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to use the concierge service for from the accounts dashboard. So go ahead and select the credit card account, and then you're going to click on concierge service, and then you're going to need to review the service details. Now you can contact the concierge service team to request assistance with travel or dining or entertainment reservations. You could also provide the service team with your request details, such as the travel date as well as the destination, and you're going to receive personalized recommendations from personalized recommendation and assistance from the service team. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card concierge service. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys